Hi friends, welcome to the Royal Trading Lab, market and stock idea for the next week. Market outlook and stock idea for the next week. 5 stock for 5% returns. Disclaimer, I am not a SEBI registered advisor. Nothing in this presentation constitutes of investment advice, trading advice, stock recommendations. My opinion are for the education purpose only. On Friday, market closed at 17,102.5, down 142.5 points. Advance are 12 and declines are 38. As totally pressure on the market on Friday. VIX at 19.41, slightly 0.19% rise. Nifty Auto down 1.02%. Nifty Realty down 1.19%. Nifty Media down 2.87. Nifty Pharma slightly down 0.13% and Nifty Media down 0.55%. Realty, Realty, Media and Auto are the pressure in these sectors. Slightly pressure in Pharma and Metal. For the next week, Pharma and Metal doing the better in the coming time. Gainers and loser on Friday. HDFC Life rise 1.79%, Tata Consumer 1.56%, Kotak Bank 1.36%, Sun Pharma 0.98. On loser side, Axis Bank down 6.39%. It's very much pressure in Axis Bank. Coal India again 3.89, Adani Port 3.42. Nifty. Now, key level for the Nifty for the next week are on downside. First support is 16,835. If the is break, then next support is 16,400. And upside resistance are 17,735. Next week we can expect that first market can be a hold near to the first support, that is 16,835, and try to move upside to R1, that is 17,735. Now strategy for next week is basically if market come down to first support, ready to buy and target for the 17,735. 5 stock idea for buy for next week. Number one stock is Balkrishna Indices. Entry point 20482 to 2145. Stop loss is 2016 and target 2422 2524. All level are for the education purpose only. You have to take your responsibility. This is our own working for the education purpose. Next stock idea is Godrej Properties. Entry at 1557 to 1585. Stop loss 1500 and target is 1945. Again, all level are for the education purpose only. Next stock is Kotak Bank. Entry at 1750 to 1791. Stop loss is 1690 and target 1900. Next stock is SKM Ag Products. Beautiful bullish pattern are formed on our magic line. Entry at 66 to 68.50. Stop loss is 64 and target is 78. Next stock is Chalet. Entry at 290 to 298. Stop loss is 270 and target is 330. Well, Royal Trading Live do provide trainings and mentoring in stock market, portfolio designing, consultancy. Simplify stock market for everyone. Our USP is hand holding and simplicity. Our wealth creation mantra is earn short term and invest long term. Thank you, friends. Have a good day. Goodbye. Thanks a lot. Thank you, guys.